Good morning. So this morning I don't have that much time in the morning, but I want to do a little bit of Decluttering December, and I'm going to do the area behind me, which is a puzzle and some paperwork of hubby that especially the puzzle has been annoying me for a while. So I'm going to do that, take less than 5 minutes, and then walk out the door, feel, yes, I've already done some decluttering before I even tackle the day. End of the day now, and we have decluttered something. I had 2 containers here in the corner because we're gonna have a big birthday party soon, and the way that we prepare for that is we do stages to make a marzipan figure. Then we do the icing sugar, like look, I've done marzipan and painted things, and then the final time, once we got everything ready, we put the cake together. So today we made a marzipan car with that's me and my 10-year-old. So it has decluttered a little bit the corner because I put it back in a cupboard, and it has decluttered my mind because I'm up to date with the big birthday preparations. So feeling good. Good morning, and we continue decluttering December. So yesterday I actually decluttered stuff in my mind, so I spent a fair amount on the computer and just finished off projects and studies and things like that. Today I'm gonna go behind me, so it's another flat surface that basically scream, please put stuff here, and we have just put a few little things out of place that do have a home, so that's not gonna take me long. I'm just gonna go and run around and fix that. Only a few minutes, and it was interesting because there were other things that we really needed to go throw away, like little crappy things, or things that do have a home and that didn't take me long to actually find it. So, you know, we have a spot for the sunscreen, we've got a spot for hair bands, we've got a stuff for goggles. I have no idea how they ended up there. So we do still have birthday cards behind us because we've got a big birthday coming up, and we've got Christmas cards, and that's okay. We'll just display them for the time being, and then once the birthday is done and dusted and Christmas is gone, then all those cards go away and it will be a clear bench top. But I'm quite happy with it. I'm also keeping track of the other spaces that I have cleared out, and it's starting to feel really, really nice. It's starting to feel like decluttered December. Okay, good luck with trying to clear anything you like, but if you want to follow me along a little bit, your services is a really nice way to go because you're getting a lot of value from a very little effort, so that's a really good way.